Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Pythons. So in the previous video, you've seen that we had write a program to multiply all the elements of a list. So in this video, we are going to write a program to find the minimum element from a list. As I have already made a file that is list12.py. So I'm giving here list in which I'm giving here numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 11, and then I'm just printing them in a ascending order, for which I'm using a sort method which will helps us to put all the elements in a ascending order. So I'm printing the list, another print function. So then I'm using another print function in which I'm writing smallest number is str list 0. This line means that the first element of a sorted list will be the minimum number. So let's run this. So this will give us the ascending order list, and smallest number is 1. So in a list I'm increasing one more number, that is 0, which is the smallest among all these. So I'm running this. So the smallest number will become a 0. To write the same program using second method, for which I am removing the sort function, and so at the last I am increasing the minimum function and removing the list 0 item. So minimum function help us to find the minimum number from a list. So let's run this. This will give us the same output as the previous result. So I am increasing some more negative numbers which are less than 0. So I am increasing here minus 0.2, which is smaller than 0. This will give us the output 0.2, minus 0.2, which is the smallest number among all these elements. So this is how you can write a program to find the smallest number from a list. So thanks for watching this. I will meet you in the next video. So if you want to practice Python questions daily, so please join our Telegram group. The link is in description. Thank you.